great way. So let's talk about it. What is Salesforce Consumer Goods Cloud? What is it?
So Salesforce Consumer Goods Cloud is, as we have talked about earlier as well, it's a dedicated cloud that Salesforce has created for the consumer goods industry. It has certain features, certain out-of-the-box capabilities which caters to the consumer goods industry. When I talk about it, it primarily revolves around, retail execution, doing the right things into the retail stores, maintaining and checking a lot of things in those particular stores, the placement, the inventory, the promotions. And then along with it, it also incorporates the insights and analytics that we can utilize to increase our sales, identify which stores are doing good for us, which stores we need to kind of realign with our marketing planning. And, we cannot have simply one template that we can use across US. It would be varying from state to state, from city to city, and from region to region inside the city itself only. Like in the downtown, it's different, something different. So Salesforce Consumer Goods Cloud is a cloud that helps us do that, starting from the field service rep all the way to the management. It involves sales, it involves service, it involves trade promotion management, it involves retail execution. These are the 4 additions of Salesforce Consumer Goods Cloud as well, as they have positioned themselves. So definitely, it allows us to do that. It was initially a product which was built by Accenture that Salesforce kind of took over and extended.
Salesforce acquired it?
Yeah.
And it
The
was
product,
the product. And it earlier, was it an app exchange application?
Yeah, it was Rex, retail execution. I'm not sure about the exact name, but earlier it was an application from Accenture. Yeah. Then you will also find from the technical perspective, if you look for documentation, you will definitely come across documentation where still it says, Accenture, documents from Accenture itself only.
So Accenture might have done it for some of the big giants out there, and that same implementation became a product which Salesforce later acquired, which is now labeled as Consumer Goods Cloud.
Exactly.
Got it. And it's absolutely native to Salesforce, right?
Yeah, it's absolutely native to Salesforce.
And it's not built by Salesforce Industries, Velocity.
No, it's not built on
it's
top.
Native to the Salesforce platform.
Yeah.
Got it. And what about the AI thing into it?
Definitely, AI is definitely almost everywhere in all the clouds of Salesforce, and it definitely utilizes that a lot into its execution, into its planning, into its specifically for route optimization, for identifying which stores to visit, identifying the right data. So AI is a big, I would say, core part of it. They also have planogram check with AI, which they have recently discontinued because I believe they are going to come up with a much more effective and much more, I would say, powerful planogram check. We will discuss what planogram check is and how it was working so far and what they are planning into the works right now.
Got it. What exactly is going to be the difference with Consumer Goods Cloud and without the Consumer Goods Cloud in terms of the customer's interaction and customer's experience with the brand?
Got it. So see, the traditional way of doing consumer goods, execution is, you basically do things, in a much more traditional way. You are, doing visitations as per your data that you are maintaining, either in spreadsheet or in some legacy system that you have built. It's all disconnected. So definitely having that data into one unified platform that we can use is going to be much helpful for us. Then we have to have a route which allows us to, go into the execution mode itself only, which is, modernizing the route to market, which is basically, managing key accounts. You have to manage the key accounts. Then you have to, optimize the field execution that you do. When I say field execution, the number of stores that you are visiting as a sales rep, if it's 10, if you could increase it to 15, that's going to definitely impact a lot for a business. If you are able to, do better optimization of the data that we are tracking from there, the products that they are placed, the promotions that we have, the surveys that you are doing. So definitely it's going to involve into that.